Hello and welcome to Coreform Cubit tutorials. In this video we're going to use the item wizard and the power tools to mesh a slightly more complex model. So first you're going to go and import your file. Normally you go to the import, but since I've recently imported it, it'll just be in my recent imports. I'll import it there. Then make sure you're in the item wizard in the power tools section. You can find this file at our tutorials page at coreform.com. So now we're going to go to set up the FEA model, and for this model we're just going to use the default, so I'm going to click done. Then we're going to go prepare geometry. Then we're going to press run check diagnostics. So you can see that indicates that we need to remove small features and build a meshable topology. So we're going to click remove small features. So we're going to click detect small features. And then in the narrow features selection, we're going to remove surface 18 right here. Then we're going to go down here, right click on it, press execute. See that right there? It removed this little ring. And then for this one, sometimes it can overreact. So for this one, we're just going to go mark as OK. Then we're going to scroll down, hit done. Then we're going to move on to build meshable topology. So we're going to hit decompose volume, check meshability. So the number of web cuts we're going to do, the first one is going to be, let's see, web cut normal to curve 33. It will be this one right here. Right click on it, press execute. So that's our first web cut. Next one, right cut, not that one. This one right here. That'll be our next web cut. We're going to right click on it, press execute, or you can just hit this execute button right here. Then our next one will be curve 10. Sorry, not curve 10, curve 60. Right click on that, hit execute. Then next one will be web cut volume 1 with sheet extended from surface 48 to separate this little piece from the rest of it. Right click on that, press execute. And then our last one will be to just cut this little thing in half right here. So now that you have that done, we'll go down here, hit done, go down, hit done, go down, hit done again. Then we're going to go mesh the geometry. So I'll just type in all in the volume list. Generate your mesh. There you have it. You successfully meshed something in you successfully meshed a slightly more complex volume in Coreform Cubit. So next we're going to go to validate the mesh. Define quality metrics. There's a lot of different things we can do here, but I'm going to use scaled Jacobian. Hit done. We're going to check mesh quality. We're going to hit all. We're going to go analyze quality. So that'll give you a visual representation of the quality of your graph. Now there's some more decomposition we can do. For example, we can remove these smaller surfaces to increase our mesh quality. But for this, that'll be in our next tutorial. So thank you for watching. You can find more tutorials like this at coreform.com.